sea of emerald green, dotted with clusters of strange-looking islands. Phangnga Bay greets its visitors daily with a panorama of scenic beauty so enchanting, as if in a dream. This geological wonderland of limestone islets and crystal-clear water is internationally renowned for its breathtaking seascapes and the unique lifestyle of its people. Designated a marine national park, Phangnga Bay is flanked by Phangnga Province on the northern side and by Phuket Island on the west, making the bay accessible from either shore. You can choose from a variety of boats to travel around Phangnga Bay. A Chinese junk is among the options, which allows you to fully enjoy the splendid views along the route. Phangnga in the national park area is noted for its sea caverns and has a large lagoon in the middle of the island. The best way to see the wonders of the island is by kayak. With a kayak, you can safely paddle your way through the tidal windows and into the mysterious caverns. Because it uses no engine, the kayak is quiet and environmentally friendly, allowing you to explore the caves without disturbing wildlife or their habitat. You'll find that gliding through the narrow openings in the rocks is both exhilarating and enjoyable. Mangrove trees that grow to great heights illustrate the biological richness of the ecosystem in this sea atrium. Here we see Tham Khang Khao, or Bat Cave, the largest cave on Phangnga Island. Hanging head down from the dark ceiling, thousands of bats take daily shelter inside the cave, awaiting nightfall when they fly out to hunt. During a quiet visit, you may also come across these indigenous creatures in a playful mood. Here, paddling is done in slow and gentle strokes in order to avoid disrupting the peace and calm that has prevailed for centuries. Inside Pet or Diamond Cave, visitors can't help but be dazzled by the glitter of silica crystals that adorn the cave walls. And inside Tam Kio, or Green Cave, the walls are covered with a thick drape of green slime. On Got Hong, or Chamber Island, the rocks take the form of a horseshoe embracing a small bay. The lee of the cliffs shields the bay from winds and storms, resulting in a very calm body of water. In addition to the large chamber, there are two smaller connecting chambers accessible by kayaking through a small opening in the rocks. The ceiling of the chambers is penetrated by a shaft through which sunlight enters and illuminates the clear green water below. Just 30 minutes from Got Hong, we come to Got Talu, an island with a string of 14 connecting sea chambers, some of which are lined with mangroves. Visitors can also catch a sight of these amazing rock folds on Got Talu. On this expanse of emerald green water, you can meet local fishermen whose means of livelihood has remained unchanged for centuries. Some sustain their simple living by collecting and selling oysters. Other sites not to be missed include Khao Phangnga and Khao Tapu. The rocks of Khao Phangnga appear as if they had been sliced clean apart by a giant knife. From here, you have a clear view of the world-famous Khao Tapu, or Nail Island, which looks like a thorny spike driven into the sea.